you can hear, but my voice has left me. Hi everyone, Gabby here. How you doing? And welcome back to another Rant video. You're very welcome. I hope you enjoy that little um, tune. I'm just trying to show you how bad I've lost my voice. um, and it's I'm a loud person, so I'll give you the details of how this happened. I guess I don't blame my sickness. I got sick during the week. I could not dodge it, and I will tell you how I did not dodge it. I couldn't. There was no chance in hell for me to be able to dodge that. Um, I apologize for that. My brother-in-law and his brother are fixing up the flooring for that master bedroom. This coming weekend is moving day. My sister, brother-in-law, and my niece are going to be moving in finally, so it's going to be a full house. So yeah, if you don't hear that or the sound of sawing, if you hear like heavy wind, was because we are getting a lot of heavy winds at my area right now. Um, so yeah, I know I haven't done any reaction videos, but I have them set up on my PC. I have them marked here. Uh, um, like this. Oh my goodness. I'm going to finish up all these, well, that section here, and some additional ones that I want to react to that I've been wanting to, but obviously I've been sick. And then now, on top of that, I wasn't expecting this because, I would still do a video even if I'm sick, or I'm like, I don't have a fever. I mean, I'm starting to feel a little tired, but maybe just because I'm using my voice a lot and I should just shut the fudge up. I said fudge, though I probably would say the other word too many times before. It's like it doesn't stop me. I'm so sorry if I burp a lot too, which that is not new. I do that, but now that with this voice, it's even more, and it's just bad. I have to. uh, that's delicious. My voice comes back, and then all of a sudden it just goes away. Water's helping me right now, but what could you do? I forgot. Oh, who's texting me? Gabriel, Liz. Okay, that wasn't in some excited, but feel rigid. Wait a second. How do you think my voice still sounds? It's no better yet. Can you take a picture of the floors for me if you can? One of the whole room. I don't have time right now. In a bit, because I'm doing a reaction video. Not reaction, sorry, pardon. A rant video. Bye. This is gonna happen because I don't know how long this video is gonna be. Because I'm gonna try to get this as done quickly as possible because again, my voice, this is gonna be very everywhere right now. And in all honesty, this might be like the fifth video I'm trying to do today because the others I just said the intros. Why? No, thank you. Um, so it's been kind of off. Because I only worked a couple days with Miss Anne, and then son of a bitch, come on! I'm gonna break this purse. It's stuck. Oh, for the love of God! Do you hear those winds? Do you hear how bad it is? Anyways, this is I still haven't got paid for this. Yes. What was the 13? Crap! I didn't write the 13. I feel like I should add that 13 and start. Someone a biscuit. Okay. Um. Okay, so yeah. What's today? The 19th. So the 12th. Okay, so I didn't really work any hours with Miss Anne last week because I was helping out my sister more with the babysitting, picking her up, my niece, and then bringing her here sometimes. Um, just scheduling has been a little weird and off. Oh my god, come on, give me some lighting. Hold on a second. There we go. This is how I have this like area set up. Look, look, look. Just so you get a kind of an idea how my room is right now. Oh, it's like because it's not sunny right now. Should I turn this on? Does it help any? I don't know. I think I'm just gonna keep it as is. So I'm just gonna move this here like this though. Um. So and it was I babysitted. So okay. I don't even know when it was. I'm a whole mess. I was supposed to work with Miss Ann Thursday and Friday, but then Wednesday night I was starting to feel real bad, and I didn't want to have a chance to get Miss Ann sick, so I called her the night before. Also, my prince I went through. Going to be doing orientation, so I'm very happy. I'm like, I can't do nothing about it. So I've been sick since the 14th, which was Wednesday night. And I mean, luckily I didn't have much of a fever after some days, like Friday. I was like, I don't care. This sickness is not going to stop me from going and celebrating my friend Denrick's birthday because Denrick's birthday was actually yesterday, but he celebrated on the 17th, and there was quite a few people. So I'm very happy because last year not a lot of people showed up. I know there was a couple people. I'm gonna fix my hat. Sorry. It's starting to get loose. Um, because he did like a lunch, and then his mom made more food, which was fine because the people that couldn't make it to the lunch, excuse me, um, could eat something at the house. But his mom makes so much food; it's ridiculous. Oh my god, I'm not I'm not saying nothing bad nothing about it. That food is bomb, okay? Bomb.com, yeah, but wow. And there's always a lot of food that's left over. Like for this time around, I took some leftovers at the house. I didn't care if my refrigerator was full. I'm like, hey, it's Filipino food. Give us some. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a little bit better. Um, we had a blast. Um, this time around, Erica and Rose were able to come with me, so it was a lot of fun. And then I got drunk, and I was like in top of the world. Me and Derek were the drunk ones. Cause was his name Sinan and Dominic, which are Derek's friends, got him some Jack Daniels and got him really schmuckered. They didn't stay long. I don't know what they were planning. They should have stayed longer. I don't know. Maybe they had other plans. I don't know. So or I don't know. Maybe they couldn't handle the girls. Because when Erica and myself are in the same room, oh my god, all hell breaks loose. It's like a party times 10. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Okay. I know I sound hard, guys. I'm so sorry. Um, and I make sure to put not available for no one but Denrix. I'm like, I did talk to his mom for a bit, trying to take this like drunk part of me off. I took a lot of pictures on my phone. Um, a ridiculous amount of pictures. Like, when do I not? I'm gonna show you one of my favorite pictures that I took here. Give me up. Here we go. There we go. There is Derek back there. I hope it focuses. That tablet doesn't focus, so it sucks. But anyways, that's Derek in the back. Me, my friend Rose. She is looking pure white. But I promise you, she does not look that white. Focus, you piece of crap. But anyways, yeah. Let's see if I have. Oh, then my friend Melissa was there. Some other. the dudes, some of the main dudes, pretty much the main dudes. That's Dominic over there next to Denrick. He was, oh yeah, yeah. Um, oh these, there are my girls. Come on, focus, focus. Just focus on Rose for the God. It can't help that I'm so white and on the freaking screen we look so freaking pale white as fuck. Nope, doesn't work. It doesn't work. I'm sorry, guys. But we had a lot of fun. It was a grand old time. Um, yeah, yeah. It was a lot of fun. I got to meet a lot of Derek's anime club friends. So I got a lot of new, younger friends here on my Facebook. I've added them. I think I've added a couple in my Instagram. Oh, I got two messages. But, oh my god, that win. That's fine. I need to keep up their pick before they finish. Okay. She really wants the picture, but I'm like, I'm taking my precious time. Oh,
Actually, it is better. It's not as squeaky as it was. So that's an improvement.
oh, he's talking about my voice. I'm like, oh, squeaky? Yeah. Well, okay, well, that's good. I'm doing a rant video right now, so um, uh, my voice, oh, wonderful. Anyways, you guys, like I said, this 25th, it's moving day. Everybody's moving stuff around. My sister said she doesn't. She has Tuesday, tomorrow, and Thursday off. So this is gonna be for Miss Anne for sure. Because we're gonna go over hours from the last 2 weeks, and I need to get paid. Yes, yes, because Mama's broke. Me and Erica, we split a papa and a cologne for Denver, because also kind of partly because he's gonna graduate for his bachelor's. Is that science law thing? I forget what's it called. I need to, like, maybe next time I go visit and I go there, I need to take a picture of his diploma. Like, this is what he graduated from, mom. Because everybody's like, so what is he doing? What is he graduated from? And I can't remember because I know it's something to do with law, but then science, and I don't know what that means. And I suck. Okay, I'm terrible at that. I need to stop getting too excited because then my voice is never gonna heal. I feel like I'm gonna be like this for the next couple of days. Let's hope not. I need to put some lemon in this. Maybe that might actually help me. Or if you guys have some natural remedies that can help my throat, because literally, I'm like, I know for sure when I was at the party, I knew I was laughing too hard, and I was just like so loud. I know I felt like a pinch or something that I knew. I'm like, shoot, I just messed myself up. I'm screwed, pretty much. Um, Saturday, my sister's off too. Liz is off, but I'm gonna help her move. Help finish moving. Better write that down because I haven't really touched this here. Now, enough with the whole weekend. Last weekend, let's jump onto our book here. Where I keep track on your guys' suggestion. Don't worry, guys. I'm not forgetting about you. It's just I told you February is gonna be a little bit cray cray, and then the me getting sick. Oh, you know how I got sick? You know how me got sick to start with? I was trying to dodge getting sick from my niece and or anybody who started sneezing or getting sick or whatever. I was doing so well. And then my bride of a niece, I love her to death, but she starts directly coughing on my face. She didn't give me no heads up. Well, she sometimes it comes out of her, but she had the She's still learning about you need a cover. You need a cover to start coughing or look away. No, I'm sitting down on the sofa downstairs and she's right in front of me, facing me, and I'm leaning to, I forgot what it was, maybe pick her up or sit her on my lap. And all of a sudden she starts coughing and I'm have my mouth open and she coughs. And then on top of that, she purposely continues to cough on me. I literally felt something go in my throat, and I'm like, I am dead. I was like sanitizing myself. I was drinking all the juice and stuff. And no, Wednesday night came around because I was watching my niece that day too, and I was starting to feel miserable. I might have a lot of crap, okay, but I try to keep things as clean as possible. I might not have much organization, but at least my room doesn't feel so congested and stuff. And I think that was a night just because also on top of it, my knee's been sick for days. But then like why are you coughing on me? And then you're doing it on purpose even more? And I'm like, you don't do that. You can't one, you can't be forcing that cough because you're going to hurt yourself. You're it, I'm getting worked up. It hurts. Not it doesn't hurt. It's just very bothersome on my chest because I'm taking a lot of air in. But every time she's trying to talk, not talk, I mean cough, I'm like, really, top it, top it. I look away. I'm like, top it, top it. I don't even go near her face anymore because after that incident, I'm like, no, 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 no. And I was trying to do a lot of hand sanitizer, keeping my hands clean. I put it all on my body, even on my face. I was like, I don't give a damn. Like, take away the cooties as fast. I was trying to drink. I should have taken some medicine or something that night or that day when she did that, but I didn't do it. Um, and voila, Gabby's sick. I still got a little focus. I think I just finished my tissues too. Oh no, I got a little bit. Uh, I'm sorry, guys. But anyways, forget that now. I guess I had a lot to say then, but I shouldn't have a lot to say since I want to get my voice back, and I hope a lot of what I'm saying makes freaking sense. If not, go man. So sorry. My mind just. Did she text me again? No, she had to work today at 12. So I have one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. I think about maybe 10 reactions I'm going to do. Hopefully, my voice comes back during the week and I can do some of these videos or do them all and then share them one at a time, like I've done it before. Obviously, it will depend on how exhausted I am after recording all of it. So we'll see. But then, obviously, I look back to this right here. This is like the next stuff that happens next. This is 5 months from here. 5 months ago. And then working away my way down here. This is like now kind of thing. A couple days ago. Right now, you guys, I have 488 subscribers. Thank you again for the new subscribers who subscribe to my channel and to my subscribers that have been subscribed to me for the longest time or since the beginning. Not really beginning, or maybe beginning, but then not the beginning, kind of like 2015 too, or something there. um, Thank you so much, and I really appreciate your comments, your thoughts, and again, you guys are more welcome to do that. Leave your questions and stuff, your suggestions. Um, Obviously, keep it nice, okay? Don't get aggressive. Don't get mean with me because your comment will be deleted, and if it's real not appropriate, I'm going to block you. You've been warned. And again, if you're gonna leave me a suggestion, leave a link, okay? Because I'm not taking any suggestions without a link. So just I'm giving you a heads up on that. Now, anyways, I wrote all the newer stuff from now from a couple. maybe weeks ago and now. So I'm set with that. Now here's another thing. Another thing I'm going to be doing. Um, Once this whole chaos is fixed and organized and all that stuff, I'm going to kind of set a day or 2 days technically, one for BTS and one for BAP because I want to do reactions to two of my favorite albums, from one from BTS, one from BAP, but the songs and find the live performances because I don't do a lot of reactions to the live performance, mostly to the MVs. But then I don't really jump. I never really sometimes you hear some of the main songs, but you don't really realize, okay, there's other songs included in that album and whatever. And right now I'm being very hardcore kind of thing about listening to the albums. Problem, I'm not sure if I'm hearing all of them either, but I found finally. Well, BTS was pretty easy because BTS I've been listening for a while now. Even though BAP was the first, not the first one, but the first before BTS. Um, but BAP was a hard one to decide because I wasn't really getting into it. Like I used to like because BTS has been in the brain, in the main brain. Then okay, but I finally decided which BAP album is my favorite, and that is First Sensibility. And these are all the songs I'm going to find and react to. And I have all these boxes. I'm going to do checks and stuff. So, but then this is BTS. Young Forever is one of my favorites. Obviously, Wing is a good one as well. But and obviously, um, Love Yourself, Her. That's another one. I have the whole album. So I've reacted to a couple of those of the songs from there. Not some of the songs, other songs in the thing. Oh my god, I'm not not the some other songs from the album. I haven't done that, but I'm not going to go there. I'm going to just leave it alone. I'm not going to react to that album or the other songs in that album yet. I'm feeling like I'm gonna go jump here, then I'm gonna jump to Wings, and then that one, and then from there I'll decide which. But first of all, this is my BTS list right now for this album, Young Forever, and so yes, yes, this is one of my favorites. A lot of it I haven't seen, like live actions or the dance practices. I don't really watch them, so a lot of that I'm going to try to find. Obviously, if I don't seem to find a song for a live or dance practice, I'm going to see if I can find an MV. I don't know. We'll see. So wish me good luck because I need to do all these and check them. So, but I haven't decided which day I'm going to do it. Again, I have to do it once a week. So let's say I decide BTS on Friday. Okay, let's just say that like an example. If I have to work that day with Miss Anne, this is certain time. Okay, but once I'm done, go home, get myself a little, you know, organize myself here, and then I'm gonna like, okay, I'm gonna go this one and this one, or let's find the some options of it. Just put BTS Young Forever live or something, and then they might throw some stuff in here or dance practices or something, and we can do that here. So if we can find both, that'd be freaking rad. So yeah, rad. I said rad. I'm an '80s baby, okay? I'm an oldies girl, okay? I'm an old soul, just so you know, okay? I had more to say than I wanted to, and but yeah. Anyways, that is one of my plans. I'm gonna have a BTS day, and I'm gonna have a BAP day. So we're gonna get a lot more K-pop in our um, in our system. Obviously, right now I haven't really decided. So any stuff I react to, I'm going to react to. So that because that's a lot. Like let's see. Oh, I almost did a boo boo. You don't need to hear that. We can leave that. done with that. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got 11 reactions to do this week, and I will make sure to get those done as soon as possible. And hopefully, my voice is back somewhat. Um, or just, if my voice is a little bit back but still not there, I might do a few and then post those, and then another day react, post, and I will try to be on top of it and not be freaking lazy, because that's how I've been lately, and I have to think of it as like homework for myself, like work, and if I don't do it, I'm going to kick my ass. So I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it. I mean about the kicking ass, okay? Um, but anyways, guys, I think that's it. And I'm going to also, FYI, try to create a different outro or shorten it. So, like, let's say subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, leave your thoughts, comments, and suggestions down below. Link if you are. Not going to force you. Take care wherever you are around the world. Don't drink and drive. Don't text and drive. Don't do it. You only got one life. Life is short. Have fun, but be safe. And I will see you guys on the next video. Alright? Smooches. Bye, smoochers. Was that better? Like, I feel like that was better and short. So, but I'm still practicing. I'm still practicing. Okay? Bye. Smooches.